What's up, guys? It's the KBB. And today me and Alex are doing a phone swap video.
So, you know what? It's my phone. It's his phone.
Right.
I can have that, you can have that.
Right, yeah.
It's only for the
Know
video.
each other's passwords?
Yep.
So,
this is his screen. Rest in peace, phone button.
That's his. And how do you unlock this thing again, bro? Are we just checking photos?
Aye.
Right.
Unless you want to do anything else.
We'll see how we feel after we've gone through the photos.
Right.
Well, how do you go unlock
this
your
photo? A goat!
Bro. Oh, because I went to... Tell why that is. Because I went to what's it called today?
Aye.
Jasmine Dean. Whoa, yeah, bro, your phone's pure hacking.
Doesn't matter. Just...
How do you? No match. The reason I've got a photo of a goat on there is because I went to Jasmine Dean today. So,
there you gone, bro.
Right, so, right, yeah. I'll go down to your home button.
Check it. Fucking goat again.
There's one on there when I get it's cute teeth in. You're just flicking through them because it's like photos of a goat. Well, they've just heard you now, so there's no point.
No, they haven't. Because I whispered.
The hell? How do you get rid of this?
Just press a home.
Right. And what the fuck's the... Oh, and just so you know, we're both pimped up wearing the Armani boys.
Aye. Look, finally I'm in Armani, like.
Right, right. Where's your fucking photos, mate?
Look.
Got too many keys, I don't know.
He has him ready for school.
I don't know why my dad said he wanted to take a photo of us. Creepy.
Tyler Turnbull.
Right,
RG.
so who's this? What's that? Top Sugar Ali B.
Why are you looking for me messages?
It's not. It's on your camera roll. Look, it's on your camera roll.
Oh, aye. It's just me that. Do you not Owen how he put like a Top Sugar Owen Knox? He changed it.
Why have you got a video of a little kid naked?
Why have you got a photo of you as a baby?
Because I can't have. But why have you got a photo of a kid naked, fam?
That's me brother. Look at little baby lady was.
Look at this fucking cringy TikTok.
Oh no, copyright!
Shit, no, we're not copyright. I'm going to turn that volume down.
Right, so that's someone's us, but
the volume's turned down. Right, I've turned the volume down, so now we can watch it.
His G, Harley, because I don't think Harley likes me, does he? It's me mate, but...
Oh, boom! On the fucking wall, bro.
Right. So, this I found like really funny. Wait, no.
These are just videos. I'm not looking at videos because the PR ages on.
So look.
Oh, just read it.
A gay confession. Like
Why have you got a screenshot of Maka Paka?
Maka Paka from a group on Instagram.
Okay, yeah, okay. Why the hell what? Oh, I'm going to
Rainbow. Everyone likes rainbows.
Yeah, boy.
Even gay people.
Boy.
Let's see.
Boy.
I will an A.
Yeah,
Top
boy.
Sugar.
Just...
He's got videos with me on them.
But why? Oh, stop.
Look,
stop.
That's me.
Not good enough.
That's me.
Not good enough, man. I'm trying to look at your photo and your phone's pure. Going crazy.
Look at that.
Look what's wrong with his phone. It pure flashes.
It's because in a TikTok I punched my phone. Like I just went.
Like you know in TikTok, right? Pretend to punch your phone, right?
I accidentally punched it.
He accidentally actually punched it, and now his phone's pure glitchy.
Oh, I can't wait to get the BMW thing. Look at this with these. What it was an 18-carat necklace.
What's
Lighten, he said.
How do you turn your brightness down, Graham? Try to find how you turn his brightness down. Because his phone's just like glitching like mad.
Am I allowed to show this?
Oh, it's video, but copyright.
Two lasses fighting. There's a really good one with 2 year 9s that I've got to show you now. That I need to show you once I find it. How many videos did you get?
Loads.
You know Wayne, part of KBB.
There we go, right, look. So it says, Owen Knox, known for ages So funny, always there for me. One of my best pals. Get at him.
You're my best pal.
Gan.
Oh, aye.
And,
Here's another fight.
when I go in the back of old Ebola's white van. That's been on for ages, you know.
Is it? Oh, I won't show it all then.
The phone, what is that?
Oh, there's me coat.
Look.
Fishy.
Hello there, gay boy. He's a gay boy, just so you know. Have you got a photo of gay boy on your phone?
Because I took a random. For those of you that want to see someone do For those of you that want to see
Is that a fake tab that I give you on there?
Aye.
This phone is so glitchy.
Wish I didn't punch it now.
The hell? Bro, why have you got a photo of a person necking on with
Oh, that's me big brother with me.
Someone talk, please. Okay, why are you taking screenshots of this? Well, I suppose it is your last like, so I'm not even showing my fucking face. Like, Alicia Finley. Is Lily Mae Russell at school? Have you seen Lily Mae? She ran away from school.
I didn't take a screenshot of that.
Nope. Oh, well, it's gone now.
There's Daniel from the KBB.
So,
And his suit.
no one has found her. She's still missing. Also, Charlie is still... What?
Oh, it's because...
Saying you're going...
Oh, it's because
It's
because he was saying that he was going out with her, but...
out with him.
Oh,
No,
this
I'm
is the
not.
one I want to show
Who's Charlie?
you. Full bird.
She's not. She's
He is.
Harry.
No, he isn't.
She's going out with Charlie.
Aye. After 9 months.
No, I'm not.
No, she's just because she's more than one one.
There's Alex's dog,
Jenny
Bean.
Oh, fuck. That's where I was now.
Is that your big brother there?
I'm a big brother, Matt.
Right,
Jenny Bean.
I forgot what I was doing. Retracted steps, got distracted on my way back. I have no idea what's going now, and now I have to pick. There's you don't believe us. Look in the back of me.
Santa.
Kill me now. Look the photos.
A dog sig.
Copyright.
Look at
What's this?
What?
Hey.
Oh, that's our experiment, I think. Oh no, 'cause it was on the dog that we did that.
What is the voice?
Is there any more fights? Most of them will have the kid in the... So like, I was gonna go live, but obviously I took tape. What the fuck?
How do I get off this thing?
Oh, look at those nice.
Well, how do I get off this?
Off that. Just go like that. Like that.
Who's that?
That's my grandma.
Hello. Right.
Hopefully don't get copyright strike for
Hey.
this. Look at LA with these belts. WWE champion.
Family.
Oh, nice car.
Fucking young.
You may not know her, but that's Leah.
Dopey May has threw £10 in bin, except from a bus ticket. Oh yeah, so he had his tenner and his bus ticket, right? Right, this isn't Alec, by the way, it was J. Harold. Which you might know.
Do you
might
know
not.
Beth? Do you know how she's saying J. Harold? On her TikTok, she's changed her name to Beth Harold 10.
Right, so J. Harold, you might know him, you might not, but
Probably not.
He put on his Snapchat story, right? He had a tenner and he had a bus ticket, and he went and threw his £10 in the bin, thinking that it was his bus ticket.
Ooh,
So
guys, what's your penis name?
yeah. So there's the photo of that. Right, what the? That just looks creepy.
Let's see.
Why?
Oh, that was Demi.
No, but it's Peter bloody. Stop.
It's the
copyright for that.
No, it won't because I made it.
Who's your mate, me?
No, I was thinking of Wayne when I said that. Because you're my cousin. Remember?
Yeah, this is getting out
Oh
of hand
yes, he's drinking. Wait, is it gonna?
Pussy, funny juice.
He's drinking.
Right,
He's drinking pussy.
Oh, no. Get off, man. Go away.
Just lower down the Oh, there we go. It's gone.
How do you lower the brightness?
There you go.
Does it not happen when you take your break? How do I get this off?
There you go.
Right, it's always on, yeah. Right. Literally.
Fuck. Right, the battery's like dying on the iPad just in case it freezes. Rapist Demi.
No, she actually looks like a rapist. I'm not wrong.
Look at hard lad Lee.
Right there. So yeah.
Not really interesting so far.
Hey.
Except for this fucking muggy of his.
Hey.
And Lee's arse.
The fuck?
I think he's shite. It's shat for yourself. Ooh, I'm in HDR.
Go get off. Go on, get off. Get off, go on.
Smithy. I remember when you hated Smithy.
Yeah, boy.
Those are like proper best mates. Little kid Smithy.
Hey.
Ooh.
Nice Lambo.
Good Lambo.
Hey.
Thanks for being
Hey there. Hey there.
Look at proper Charlie.
What about you? You just got a random Snapchat of, just a random screenshot of Snapchat.
That was by mistake.
And
Look at Lee.
I'm gay, I like to suck cock.
Aiden, if you're watching this, you done this.
Yeah. It goes in.
I'm gay, I like to suck cock.
You might know him, you might not. His name's Aiden Mc. Oi, you might know him, you might not. And if you don't, his name's Aiden McTaggart, mostly known as Aiden McFaggot. So, hello, Akbar.
This is how Owen's sparring.
Oh yeah. Fuck! What did you say that was? What did you say that was? Aye. Maybe I have to get one for my Snapchat now.
The red, that is naughty, that. I naughty old red, that. Oh, R.I.P.
No, Pebbles is still alive.
Oh, that's Pebbles, isn't it? Socks, that's dead.
I don't think I have any photos of Socks on that phone.
Oh,
Because I didn't think she was going to die.
no.
She had a bore infection. Rest in peace, Socks.
Yeah, I don't know where I was now.
Hashtag badgers don't mess with me or you
Gonna
down.
die in it.
Just like the badger did.
Guys,
No, we're not going to end
that's
it.
it for this
No,
video.
I'm not going to end it just yet.
Okay, well I am.
Right.
Because I can't find where I was.
I'm going to show one more video. I mean, one more photo. Uncle John's mint balls. Wait, I want to show another one of Mr. Healy.
You just went straight past it.
No, the photobomb one.
Oh,
Was that not on your phone?
it is. Right, so not there, look. Right, so me and my best mate from primary.
I thought I was your
Me and
best mate.
Preston. In primary, Preston was though. Right, me and my best mate from primary, Preston.
Wait.
We're trying to take a photo, right? But then the primary vice principal had to come in the background.
Come.
The child friendly here.
Where KBB?
True.
You really think we're going to keep it child friendly when we're wearing our money?
No, not really. Danny, show you this funny video of my little sister. Ready?
Right, that's the last of it. So,
Right.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Do you think they enjoyed the video?
I hope you.
This is
I
like
think they
basically
did.
the All Armani
I
video.
hope you did. So I hope you enjoyed it. And gonna get this video
so-
uploaded as soon as possible.
Like, subscribe,
Hope I'll see you again soon.
turn on notifications.
See you later.
See you later.